Ladies and gentlemen, there will be no driven diary this week, and that is because we need to move to a 1 week delayed schedule. And now the reason for this move is twofold. First, we have had numerous quality issues given the fast turnaround time that needs to occur to get these videos out every Monday. Thumbnails, editing, there's always something, it feels like, that just doesn't get done the right way in these videos when we're rushing to put them out basically the same day they're done. So we will not be doing that anymore. We're going to delay a week, give ourselves a week to edit. Also, because some of these topics are sensitive and take a couple of weeks to work themselves out. And so because of that, I need to delay in some of what I talk about, and rather than censoring these videos, which I really don't want to do, I don't want to be in a position where I'm going, well, there's something happening and I can't tell you about it. I don't want to do that. I'd rather be in a position where I say, you know, this is exactly what's going on, and 2 weeks later we can assess whether it has been resolved enough to post it or not. So those are the reasons we have to do this delay. So there'll be no diary video this week. We will pick up next week in order. That's all we got. So I'll see you next week. Stay driven.